Hi guys, welcome to the farm. So today we're discussing our pest control. So we're going to show you and demonstrate to you how we do it. So this is one of the chemicals that we're using in a 16-liter sprayer. So this works both for pests, viruses, bacteria, and fungus. So it's a very one effective pesticide. We'll go to the field and we'll demonstrate how it's sprayed. So this is one sprayer that we have, and we'll use it, and we explain the efficiencies and why we do it both in a sustainable and in a conventional way. So see you on the other side. One.
Okay, so yesterday we went through our field cabbage and we did a pest checking out, and this is what we got. These are cutworms, so they've been cutting our cabbages. Our cabbages are 6 days after transplantation. So we will be working on this. We'll be controlling this mostly. This is our main pest that we are controlling now. There are a lot of pests that we will control, but for now we will focus on this one as we prevent others. So these are cutworms. This one is going to be our main focus for this week.
So most of the pests or the bacteria affect the four major parts of the crop: the roots, the stems, the leaves, and even just the entire crop or its fruits. For example, for those that bear fruits. So as you use your pesticides, you need to understand and know, is it a viral infection, or it's a bacterial infection, or it's a fungus. And once you get to understand those, you should also know what pesticides to use or how to control them. So there's a constant debate between conservationists and also people who use conventional chemicals. But it's all about efficiencies and the objective. If you want to protect both the soil and the crop, you need to do crop rotations to avoid having a lot of pests. But in a situation where you have a lot of attacks, you need to use even the conventional ones, but do find a way of getting a dissolvent so that you can dissolve the effects of the chemicals in your soil, even just for your crop and even for yourselves as a consumer, whether you or for animals. So, for example, in tomatoes, you'd find there are viruses and fungus mostly affecting tomato. Then there are very few, if found, they are very expensive organic products that would control viruses in tomatoes or pests in tomatoes. But for other crops, the easiest has been to use, especially for small fields, you can use mulch, you can control, you can pick, you can use animals, birds, and all that to pick on certain pests. But above all, you need to find a way of dissolving the chemicals that you spray or the ones that you apply to your fields. So that will be one of the exercises that will show you later on how to get rid of chemicals from the soil so that you do not pollute your environment and your soils. Otherwise, contamination to the soil eventually leads to a lot of degradations, things that you may not control in the long run.
Okay. So the cutworms don't like to be exposed to sunlight, and they are always in the soils. They don't like to be exposed. Okay. We'll see the reaction. So, yeah. We're getting this.